All our projects today are best from waste. Stay with us till the end and see how you can do awesome things. You guessed it right. We are making a very simple and easy and durable photo frame out of a cardboard box. See now how we decorate it. Paste only the top fold to leave room to slip in a photo at the end. We paste the back and then fold the sides of the paper over the back to give it a smooth look and feel. We'll use another piece of cardboard and measure it properly to make the stand for the photo frame. Tell us what you think about this project in the comments below and continue watching our next two crafts for exciting home decor ideas. Watch this entire project to see how these sheets of paper turn into stunning art. If you haven't yet, go ahead, subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon below. Use a circular object of any size to give the shape to the strips of paper. We made about 12 to 15 of these circles for this project. Overlap about 5 to 6 more rolled strips of paper to make the bigger circle. We would love to hear from you. If you want us to make a specific craft, go ahead, tell us in the comments. After pasting these circles to each other, leave the piece to dry well. The rolling is not over. Roll 3 more of these medium-sized circles for the final steps. Two more of these and wait, we're almost done. You must have guessed that it's a wall hanging, so let's quickly finish it up. Glue the 3 pieces to the bigger circle and let them dry. Make a loop out of the thread to hang your wall hanging. And it's almost done. Decorate it as you like and go ahead, let it adorn your wall. If this looks great to you, hit the like button below and watch our next project, which is super unique yet simple and perfect for kids. We are cutting this box to give it the shape of an octagon. We will fold the 4 corners and staple them to fix them. Note the height and circumference of the box to be able to cover it with a strip of paper. You can even use newspaper to cover the box and paint it later. It's now time to cover the inside of the box. Still wondering what this is? It is a showcase for your wall and we will show you how to use it. Here's a pro tip. Use the product called glue tack to effectively paste this on your wall without ruining the wall. Make about 3 of these to give a complete look.